Okay, so since I receive a lot of questions about specific person manifestation, and over 80%, 70-80% people who reach out to me on membership or coaching side is the same, so I decided to sort of make an outline video on how I would do it. Now, how I did it, I explained that a lot in a lot of my videos, but to anybody who, well, a lot of you are asking this question, so how I would do it now that, because how I did it before also was involved with a lot of trial and error, because I was also learning law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teaching, and I was scouring the internet for information. So first thing I would say is that most people come to deliberate creation via heartbreak or trying to manifest somebody, and manifesting some person in your life and love shows you how absolutely low that you think of yourself. So I would start there, because most people are trying to appease the so-called godly SP, you know, this godly person who is such a like wow, and the moment I get this person I'm gonna be whole and complete. Well, newsflash, you will be the same. Nothing will change, as in if you are struggling to make manifest money right now, or you have low self-esteem, or if you do not love yourself, or if you think all men are bad or all women are bad, you can apply imagination and manifest your specific person, but these patterns within you will stay the same and they will keep on going. So, and if you do not consider yourself to be a worthy of love or worthy of commitment, and if you do not identify as God's self, as the essence of God, having a temporary human experience, you think you're a human, you could apply all techniques and Neville Goddard method can still work, right? But if you think low of yourself, nothing will really change, and this person will not complete you. Nobody else can. Nothing in this world ever can complete you. So I will start by examining my inner conversations and my own self-concept. What do I believe about myself? When I was in my so-called SP manifestation journey, it's not a journey anyways, because this is why I always do this thing, air quotes, because I'm trying to emphasize that these things are not real. There is no journey, it does not take time, no manifestation takes time, it only takes awareness. What are you aware of being? If you are aware of being not with your SP, and then you're trying to be with them and you're trying to manifest them, so your awareness from point A to B, how long that takes is what determines the experience. So I will start with, first of all, examining my self concept and seeing myself. Do I actually love myself? Do I actually believe I'm worthy of love? Do I actually know myself to be the essence of God, having a temporary human experience? Or I'm just dilly-dallying, you know? I just want something out of manifestation. I don't really care about my inner world. And I know this will sound weird for a lot of people who want to manifest specific person, but like, because that's not your end, right? You just want to get the person. Well, I have gotten the person, and a lot of people have. And they will all tell you that, sure, you can apply techniques, you can apply imagination, live in the end and get what you want. But it's not gonna complete you. It's not gonna change your life the way you think it will, unless you change your inner world. And this person then will just add more amazing things to your life. It will just enhance your experience, but not fundamentally make you whole or complete, because you're already that. And guess what? The reason why I'm saying is, guess what? The moment you feel whole and complete, you become magnetic, not just to your person, but everybody around you. And that is when you get them. They come to you. When you are so focused on desiring a person, you put them on pedestal and you increase their importance way too much. right? You act like your life depends on it because it don't. It doesn't really. This is why I keep telling you that it will not make a difference to you when you get them. But let's just say, of course, I'm not saying you stop desiring people, but I'm giving you the reality that you are the main character of your life. They are not. They are just one person that you fancy, so you want them in your life, and that's okay. But you are the main character. You are giving life to this reality. So when you feel whole and complete, you become magnetic. And when you feel not whole and not complete and you don't love yourself, SP manifestation is the most difficult manifestation, because guess what? In the Bible it says those who have, that more will be given them, and those who do not have, that which they have shall also be taken away from them. And what it means is, if you do not have love in your heart, how can somebody else give you love? Right? If you do not feel love and wholeness within yourself, how can somebody else make you whole and complete and fulfill you with love? This is why SP manifestation seems to be the most difficult, because it reveals to you how much you do not love and appreciate yourself, and how much you do not consider yourself to be the center of your reality. And admittingly so, and understandably so, most people are new when they come to law of assumption, and they usually come because they want to manifest a specific person. So they don't understand fully yet that they are reality. This person is a character playing part in their dream. So if they are the dream master, they can change the character anytime they please, and anytime the role of the character can be changed, and you can manifest them in your life. But they do not realize that, so they put the power in this external person, and they want to attract it and manifest it, and and it's all focus on external thing. It's all about external, and no focus on internal. Who are you being? As I said, as the Bible, as the scripture says, those who have, more will be given them, and those who do not have, that which they have will also be taken. So I would start, and the reason why I'm telling you this thing is what made the most difference in my SP manifestation, right? I had a lot of low self-esteem, you name it, not thinking good of myself, thinking I am not the prize, and I'm not chosen, not worthy, and nobody loves me, all this emo crap. And looking through the sad reels, I know you. Open up your Instagram, and if you're seeing all these romantic quotes about loneliness and nobody choosing you, or their loss, they did not choose, cut that crap. It's subconsciously manifesting that for you. So I had all that, but I still had like my specific person, and we had a nice relationship. But the true breakthrough happened when I realized that, do I love myself? Do I feel I'm worthy? Then I dug deep into Neville Goddard's teaching, and I realized that I am the Christ in my reality, right? I am the source of this reality. I am the source of this person. And I am literally love, wholeness, complete, and all life, all abundance, everything, right? Because I am the essence of God at the point that I am. I am the light of this world, as Christ would say in the Bible. I am the light of this world. So this is not to say that other people don't exist. This is to say that you, in your personal reality, are given the authority by the Father that thy will be done for you. But you gotta choose and understand yourself first, right? You have to choose yourself. You have to choose yourself in love and realize that what are you doing within? It's not about the SP, it's about you. Who are you being? And the biggest discovery that I found was I was inwardly telling myself that I am not worthy and I am not chosen. And that was leading to the so-called, all the specific person situation that you guys talking about, all that drama happened. And then when I finally understood that it's about me, it's not about the world or the person or anything, it's all about who I am being, then I changed the focus within and said, I am loved, I am whole, and I am complete right now, and I don't need anybody to make me feel whole and complete and loved, because I am all that is. I am one with God. If God is all that is, then how can I lack love? How can I not be chosen? How can I not be worthy in my own reality? And this sort of mental shift changed everything then. And here we are. So to manifest your specific person, I know this video is gonna sound very meta and weird, and you will be, but what about the processes, bro? What about this? What about that? Well, the processes might get you your person, but if you want to sustain love, and if you want to really, really have a harmonious relationship and be whole and complete before the thing happens and stay in that state, you got to work on your who you are being. And your success, so-called success rate for manifesting your person, is gonna skyrocket, because people who don't love themselves, they have the most, because reality is reflecting, right? So their SP behave the worst way possible, and they see the shit show playing out in real time, but they keep focusing on manifesting them rather than being the person who already has this person, by being the identity of God, who is all that is, who's already all love, all perfection, and always chosen and always worthy. So when they're focusing on this thing outside of them, well, then their focus is fixed on the idea that it's not here, and they're not gonna love me because I'm not worthy, I'm not chosen, so they're not gonna choose me. They're not gonna do what I want them to do, right? And then that's how it plays out. So just one simple mental shift will change everything for you. It's not about the SP. It's not about them loving you. They are a reflection. It's about who you are being. Do you have love in your heart? Do you feel worthy? Do you feel enough? Do you feel like you are one with God? Do you know this on a spiritual level? No. Is all of that necessary? No. There are plenty of people who don't know any of it. They just apply a technique and get the person they want. But will this person make them whole and complete? Will it be sustainable? Will it be forever, into the la la land, how a lot of girls fantasize? If that's what you want, then be whole and complete right now. And everything else just be added on to you. Seek ye first the kingdom of heaven, and all these things will be added on to you. SP is just going to be one thing that is added on to you, and many other things. So the foundation, once you build this foundation, everything else is long lasting, and you will be happy while you get everything, not miserable in trying, efforting, and at the end of the day getting what you want, but too drained to enjoy it. So be whole and complete now. Be love now. Be happiness now, and see the magic happen. I just realized that the question will definitely be asked in the video, that how do you love yourself then? How do you do that? Well, go on beautiful long walks, enjoy your life, go to the gym, eat good, travel, enjoy, have a laugh with your friends, take it easy, take this life not seriously, but take this life as a creator, right, who's creating wonderful things in his life. And chase your dreams, and your SP will just be attached to you automatically. And if you want to work with me, the link is in the description for both membership and coaching. So yeah, I just want to say that. So this is it for this video. Until next time, bye bye.